Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Everyone, it is Friday and I finally did my makeup for today. I wanted to go with a purple eyeshadow look because I wanted to match my new hair, and I am wearing all black. I'm usually a really colorful person, so this is really out of my comfort zone. Actually, I feel like I always tend to go with lighter colors, and it's just really mind-boggling that I'm wearing all black and have dark hair. And today the weather is amazing. It is the Autumn Moon Festival and everyone has off. It's Friday, and so I thought that I should do a little exploring today on my own, and I might go bike riding by myself to this bridge called the Sunshine Bridge that isn't too far from where I live, and it's in the Xingdian district. I switched into hoops. I'm wearing a jean jacket, tank top, these culottes, and yeah, I'm gonna head out now because it's already 12:39. I don't want the day to just go past like that, so I will go and take you guys with me right now. All right, see you guys.
How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away. Watching.
Hey guys, so actually I'm not gonna go to the bridge anymore because I went to the convenience store and they said that it was too far. So I'm just sitting in front of my apartment. I don't know what to do now. It's so nice outside, so I just want to be outside. I just don't know where to go. It's already 2 p.m. so I'm not sure if I should follow what the other things I have on my itinerary. Hi everyone. I've decided to take the subway and I'm going to walk to the subway station and then bike ride closer. I am on my way. I'm at Nanzishao station. I'm going to finally ride the bike to the bridge. I finally managed to figure out a way to get there. It's only going to take 11 minutes. That's what it says on Google Maps. And before, I actually lost my subway card because my mind was all over the place, and someone within 5 minutes had already turned it in, which is crazy. So I'm so happy with how safe Taiwan is and how nice everyone is here. So yeah. I stopped one stop away from my usual stop and it's way less crazy on the street, so I think this will be a good place to bike ride. Try and figure this out.
A few moments later.
Everyone, I made it. I never thought I would actually make it here, but I'm here at the park. It took way longer than 10 minutes. I was literally riding my bike on the highway next to cars and fire trucks and huge trucks, and I almost died. So it's actually a miracle that I'm here. So I'm about to cross the bridge and ride my bike. It's really pretty today, but the sun is it's freaking hot, and I thought this was gonna be like a cute little bike ride and I was gonna look all cute and be, it's not sweaty and just like have a scenic bike ride, but no, it was a complete opposite. And I didn't record any of it because I literally would have died. So yeah, I'm gonna get some scenic shots and then I'm gonna go onto the bridge.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and
Alright guys, I just put it back in the lock. I'm literally in the middle of nowhere. I'm so freaking sweaty, disgusting, and tired all at once. I think I'm gonna call an Uber to go back to my apartment. What's up guys? I'm back home. I'm tired. I biked this whole afternoon and it was so unexpected and it actually took a lot longer than I thought it would. Either it's just I'm dumb and it probably could have taken way shorter, or it really was that energy consuming, but I do not recommend bike riding to the park. I recommend getting near there, renting a bike, and then, you know, having fun in the park. But other than that, it was a really cool day. And I'm really glad I pushed myself to go there anyway. Despite all the obstacles, I ended up having an amazing time by myself and had a little photo shoot on my break. A lot of people were looking at me weird in the park. I guess my hair really does stick out, and my makeup, and just wearing all black on such a hot sunny day, which makes sense. And there was a lot of families and little kids there. Can't wait for you guys to watch it. What's up guys? So today, it's a few days after I went bike riding at Sunshine Bridge, and today I'm still following my friend's itinerary, but I'm going to indoor fish. I decided to split up the itinerary into 2 different days because biking and crossing the bridge actually ended up taking way longer than I thought it would be. So that actually took up the entire day. I'm gonna go to the post office first to drop off my ballot because I am going to vote. I sent in an absentee request, and then I'm gonna go to indoor fish for maybe like an hour or 2, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, let's go. From the indoor fishing, and I got my shrimp. What is up everyone? I am back home from indoor fishing. Who would have ever thought that I'd go indoor fishing alone, but that is what I did today. The lady who was working there was so nice and let me stay overtime. I got there at like 3:15 and she ended up letting me stay until 5, even though I paid the amount just for an hour. And then I only caught 3, but she still gave me 2 for free. So I got 5 in total. I decided that I wanted to make shrimp scampi spaghetti with the seafood that I fished myself. And it's gonna be fresh, and I could have barbecued at the actual fishing place and ate it right then and there, but I just thought it'd be more meaningful or cooler if I made my own recipe, and I haven't cooked like this in so long. Alright, so these are my ingredients that I'll be using. I got my seafood here. I got a stick of butter for the shrimp scampi. I got my oil, my pasta noodles, garlic, cloves, lemon, and white wine. I unfortunately couldn't get parsley, but I think this is good enough. So I think I'm gonna eyeball this because I've never made this before. I've also never prepped seafood like this by myself, so this will be a first. Water is boiling, so I'm going to put my spaghetti in. Oh my god. That's so scary. This just flew out because it's still alive. I just screamed so loud. It's still alive! Oh my god, they're still alive. I don't know how to do this. Oh, this one has fish egg inside. Maybe I should keep it.